Your Mini, brought to you by ZURU 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brands. Hey guys, it's Mia. I just got this box from ZURU that says Out of Your Mini, and I'm gonna open up and see what's inside. Whoa, oh cool. This is a ZURU 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brands capsule. It's awesome. Whoa, there are pictures and stuff in here. Pretty cool. Let's see, what is this? We challenge you to create an original show featuring the mini characters that you unboxed from this capsule. So I'm creating a show with this? Cool. First thing we have to do is fill in the blanks. We've got 1, an imaginary sport, bingo ball. 2, an animal, made plural. Ooh, hedgehogs. 3, a natural disaster, made plural, tornadoes. 4, something that goes up high. Ooh, a balloon. Something that moves fast. An ostrich? So now for my presentation of Out of This World Championship. The jams are pumping and the crowd is ready. And up on the big screen, we see the famous sports announcer. Goes off. Oh, cool, it's Bobby the Booty Shaking Llama. It's time for the Bingo Ball World Championship. No surprise, it all comes down to the big city hedgehogs and the mountain high tornadoes. Leading the hedgehogs is their fearless captain, an incredible athlete. Ooh, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Raphael figure, known for his balloon jump. He'll be hard to bring down. On the other side, the unquestioned star of their tornadoes is... Ooh, it's JoJo Siwa Bodacious Bow. JoJo Siwa Bodacious Bow with her incredible ostrich run. No one on Earth can stop these incredible bingo ball competitors. With moves like these, it's impossible to say who's gonna come out on top. Nothing could be wilder than the sporting event we're about to see. I'm the best at bingo ball. Oh yeah? Yeah! Oh yeah? Yeah! I repeat, nothing could be wilder than the sporting event we're about to see. Yeah! Huh? Just then, a spaceship appears directly above the arena. An invisible beam freezes the 2 athletes and lifts them into the ship before blasting off. What is this spaceship doing? Is it really beaming up our 2 stars? What an unforeseen turn of events. Now, number 6, we have 4 words for awful. I chose horrible, preposterous, crummy, and rubbish. 7 is something slow, so I chose sloth. It's time for Act 2. Boom. What happened? I'm so bewildered. Did I win? Alert! Beam malfunction. TMT Raphael figure and JoJo Siwa beamed to the wrong part of the ship. All troopers find and captured. Does that voice sound familiar? I'm not waiting around to find out. Let's see who we have next. Ooh, it's Robo Alive attacking T-Rex, and he is the pit master. We need to get over this pretty big pit. Pretty big? It's bottomless! No, I sound like my cat.
It's bottomless!
How do you dig a bottomless pit on a spaceship?
Because you know so much about spaceships. Why don't you fall in and find out?
We need to get to the other side.
I hate to admit it, but I think it's time for your balloon jump.
You know my moves.
Ah! My pit! My glorious pit!
Actually, now that I see it from this angle, you can probably just walk over to your left. Oh, my left.
Alert! The Earthlings have crossed the pit! Someone tried to stop them from getting into more of the ship! We just had it cleaned! Oh, I need another character. Final one. Ooh! A tiny Rubik's Cube!
Not so fast. I'm Rubik's Cube, the Sloth Master, and this is my sloth room. You'll never be able to outrun my room of sloth time.
A maze?
Pretty simple. What is happening to your voice? My voice.
Laugh all you want. You won't be able to escape this room for hundreds of years.
Okay, JoJo Siwa, I actually think it's time for your ostrich run.
You know my moves too?
Break it down.
Oh, you think you're So smart. You'll pay for this, Earthlings.
Can't. I actually didn't think I would be.
Alert! The Earthlings have crossed the sloth maze. What a performance so far. Coming into the control center, they're tied.
What do they mean, we're tied?
Something seems weird.
It's time for the final fill-in-the-blank card. 8, a word for giant, plus ness. So I guess like if you were to do large, it'd be largeness. I chose ginormousness. And then 9, a made-up name for Earth. So I chose water rock. Goodbye, little maze. It is time for the final act. What is happening?
Through 2 challenges, the score is tied. The sports announcer was an alien all along.
Dun, dun, dun!
Yes! Now you will finally get a chance to prove who's the best Earth athlete once and for all. In the greatest sport in the universe, Space Bingo Ball. The winner will win the giant capsule of ginormousness. It's like 40 feet tall.
We can't even pick it up.
Wow, that would look awesome on my lawn. And my neighbor's lawn. Take your sides of the arena. It's time for the Space Bingo Ball Showdown.
Who says we need this guy to tell us who's competing? Let's make our own team. Team Water Rock.
Yeah, Boppy the Booty Shaking Mama. We challenge you to the Space Bingo Ball Showdown. Instead of doing in what is clearly my best interest, I'll prove my superiority over both of you. But if I win, Earth is mine! Mwahahaha! You're on! Mini bosses, stop them! This is the pits!
Da-na-na! Bum 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 bum. Bingo!
Yeah! Let's go! 32 points!
Da-na-na! Bum 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 bum.
B-I-N-G, no!
Horrible!
Preposterous!
Crummy!
Rubbish!
That was weird.
Yeah, that was weird. But we're the Galaxy's Bingo Ball MVPs.
Yeah. Yeah. So that was out of this World Championship. I guess we roll the credits now? This video is brought to you by ZURU 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brands and me.